Hey guys, what's going on? This is Darius and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing XBash AI. Now, XBash AI, it's a no-code platform that allows you to create funnels, websites, blogs, software, SaaS, games, you name it. You can pretty much create anything that you want. So if you ever wanted to create a software or maybe sell that software, you maybe came across developers that charge a lot, okay? Because building a software is going to cost a lot of money. And I know that because on my website, as you can see, I have under my bonuses, I have Read Chat, which is a software. I have Read Bio, is a software, right? Gradient QR code, this is a software. And to build these apps would cost me a lot of money. But what I did, I bought the code. Even though it was expensive, the code, it was way cheaper than hiring a developer and build these apps for me. But now with XBash AI, I can create everything myself, but not just software. As I said, you can create like even games, even one-page websites, like a game, tic-tac-toe, and install it on your server, on your own domain, and have it monetized with AdSense, right? Which is pretty cool. So there is a lot that you can do with XBash. And as they say, just dream it, build it, and ship it. And it's that easy. It's AI, and all you have to do is just describe everything that you want. So it's pretty cool. And I'm going to show you how it works. But before I do so, I just want to mention that I left a link below in the description of this video. And if you click on that, you will be redirected to my website where you can find more information about XBash AI. And it's actually the first link. The second and the third link is going to be the official pages for XBash. And on my website, you will see the pricing. You can learn more about the pricing, but I will talk about it later on in this video. There is also a bundle deal. And if you scroll down the page, you will also find my bonuses. And all of these bonuses are free, part of your purchase, if you decide to get XBash through my link. And they will be delivered instantly inside of your JVZoo account after you purchase through my link. Now, I said I will talk about the pricing later, but actually, let me cover the pricing first, okay? So the front-end offer is going to be $47 to $67, depending on what the plan you want, the starter plan or the pro plan, okay? Now, we have some upsells, and the first one is going to be the black upgrade, which is $97. And this will give you advanced AI agents. You can create unlimited projects, you have unlimited revisions, and some more assets, okay? But the idea is you go even faster and you go unlimited with the black upgrade. Option number 2 is going to be Done For You Command Center 197, and they will give you, in a span of 3 months, they will give you 30 fully built apps that you can basically sell as your own and keep 100% of the profit. So they will give you the code and you can sell them. Option number 3 is going to be the agency license 197, and this is going to give you agency features. Option number 4 is going to be reseller license plus training, and with the reseller license you can essentially sell XBash as your own and keep 100% of the profits. And lastly, we have the bundle, which is 697 and is going to give you everything that I just showed you under the pricing at a one-time payment. And by the way, everything is a one-time payment. Now that I got this out of my way, let me show you the members area. So this is going to be the members area. And as I said, all you have to do is just give it a prompt and it's going to create whatever you want this AI to create. Now, as you can see, we have example templates. So we have web applications like To-Do app, blog platform, e-commerce shop. We have interactive UI components like cookie banner, dashboard user interface and notification system, and also games and interactive. So yeah, tic-tac-toe, puzzle game, and so on. Now, these are just some templates, examples. We also have blank templates, but these are frameworks. And if you are a developer, you know exactly how you will use these. I would not know how to use these. I don't even know what they mean. So I will just stick with the AI. And also we have import projects. So you can import projects from GitHub from a local folder and also some safe chat. Now, this software, XBash AI, is going to give you the hosting as well. But obviously, when you want to create these apps, you might want to install them on your server, right? On your hosting with your domain and so on. So you can sell these as a SaaS. And that's in case you want to create a software, right? But either way, if you want to run these and make them public, you will need a hosting. Now, on the left-hand side, we have the main menu. And if you click on your icon here, as you can see, we have more options. And we have connection under the tools and preferences. And under the connections, you will need to integrate GitHub, Netlify, and also Vercel, right? So in order to create these software, especially these software apps, you will need these integrations. And also there is a plans and billing tab. So when you buy this product, you actually get 200,000 tokens each month. But in case you need more, you will have to upgrade. Now, depending on the complexity of the app that you want to create, this can be less or more, okay? So, for example, if you want to create a fully fledged SaaS with landing page, I think you can go and create up to maybe 2 or 3 apps each month. So I hope that makes sense. And essentially, let's give it a prompt. Let's see how this works. And for this example, what I did, you will need a prompt, okay? And the prompt should be very explicit. So you can't really go just build me a software like I don't know what. You have to be very specific with what you want. And what I did, I went to ChatGPT and I asked it like, I want to build a SaaS like Linktree. Can you give me a detailed prompt for an AI software creator? Mention all the features and more. And ChatGPT actually instruct me to use a software builder like XBash AI or Builder AI, which is pretty cool, isn't it? So this is the prompt, okay? I want to build a SaaS platform, and what I will do, I will just copy the entire prompt. As you can see, it's really, really detailed. I will go back and I will paste that prompt in here, and I will edit this a bit at the beginning because I want to say create a SaaS platform similar to blah, blah, blah. Now, obviously, you can press this mic button and use your voice. We also have these stars here, and these will enhance the prompt. And you can also attach some files. So for example, if you want to create a landing page or a funnel, you can actually give it a file like an image, and it's going to replicate like what's in that image. It's going to create the website or the landing page or the funnel similar with what's in the image. So yeah, I will just go ahead and press enter. And also you will have to add your SaaS API, okay? And from here, you will have to, let me just make this user interface light, and let me go ahead and click this again, and I will choose my project. So the SAP base is going to be required, right? Now, let me just go back for a second and show you how you can connect these. So we are going back to our user icon here. Under the connection, you have these troubleshoot connections because SAP base doesn't appear here, right? So just go and click on troubleshoot connection and click run diagnostics. And as you can see, SAP base is configured, but if it's not configured, all you have to do is just add your API in here, right? So that's it. And I'm going to go back to the main dashboard and paste my prompt in here again. Let me make this light. Click on enter. I will paste my token in here, click on connect. And as you can see, we have the projects inside SAP base. I'll select my test project, and there we go. And yeah, basically what I will do, hit on enter, and now XBash is going to build this app for me. Okay, and as you can see on the left hand side is complete Chinese for me. The code, everything that is going to build is pretty much Chinese to me. And yeah, but the idea is the AI is going to work and is going to create the entire code for you with everything that you can possibly need, right? So yeah, I will basically come back when everything is done. And just a side note, at some point, this AI might stop. So all you have to do is just go ahead and write continue. So yeah. Okay, guys, so essentially this is the final result. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in the preview tab and we have the code. And this app was created in about 15 to 17 minutes, something like that. And it's a bit of a complex app. Okay, I mean, if you check the prompt, you can tell that I gave this AI a ton of instructions, and this is a fully fledged software app. And what I did, I have an error here, but I won't mind that. And what I did, I created an account and this is my dashboard. And I can pretty much create a new page. We have the analytics, we have the settings, and basically this is it. But as you can see, guys, I mean, you can create these apps in 15, 20 minutes. And again, you can always go back to XBash and just type in whatever you want to add, because it's going to add. So for example, on the landing page, you can add a section for example, for the reviews. Just ask it like, add a section on the landing page where we have reviews or testimonials and stuff like that. But in a nutshell, guys, this is it. This is what you can create using XBash AI, and this is pretty cool. And you have more options on the left hand side. So as you can see, we have a sync and export and also deploy. So you can download the codes, synchronize files. You can push this to GitHub, and also you can deploy it to Netlify, Vercel. And also we have Cloudflare, which is coming soon. So that's a feature that it's about to add. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions, just make sure you ask them below. And what I will do, I will also make sure to post the video, the webinar video, essentially, because on the webinar, they will explain in detail exactly what this does, how to use it, all the things that you need to know about the integrations, the APIs, the credits, and so on. So I think I covered enough. And again, if you want to pick this up, the link is down below. Come to my website, check out the pricing, check out the bonuses. And the purple button is going to be for the front-end offer and maybe some of those upsells. And the green button is going to be for the bundle deal. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions, again, make sure you ask them below. And I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe.